Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to walk you through a super handy tutorial, how to remove a lightbox, also referred to as a pop-up, from your Wix website. Whether you're tidying up a design, trying to make your site less distracting, or just keeping things streamlined for your visitors, by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to get rid of that unwanted lightbox in Wix Studio. No confusion, no guesswork, just a clean, simple site that feels fresh and professional. So, let's jump right in. Imagine you're working on your Wix site and you discover there's a lightbox, or as Wix now calls it in Studio, a pop-up that's lurking somewhere, showing up for visitors, maybe unexpectedly. These lightboxes are those windows that pop up over your page to show announcements, sign-up forms, or other content. Sometimes they're helpful, but they can also be distracting. Or you might simply want your page to load without anything extra. Removing it is easier than you might think. First, you'll want to locate the lightbox or pop-up in your Wix Studio workspace. Most of the time, it won't be visible right there on your page when you're editing because it's hidden within your site's structure. If you're not sure which one you're looking for, think about the moment you visit your published website. Does a window immediately appear, maybe asking folks to subscribe or offering a discount? That's your lightbox. If you don't see it right now, don't worry. Pop-ups are often set to be triggered by certain actions, like loading the home page or clicking a button, so they aren't always obvious during editing. Next, head over to the left sidebar and click on Pages. This is your site's map, listing everything from your home page to little extras like pop-ups and lightboxes. Here's a helpful tip. In the Wix Studio Editor, pop-ups lightboxes are actually listed alongside your regular pages. They look a bit different, usually labeled as a pop-up, not a standard page. Take a moment to scroll through until you spot the lightbox you want to remove. It may help to hover your mouse over each item if you're unsure, as Wix displays some identifying icons or preview text that gives away which is which. Once you've found the lightbox, you'll see 3 small dots or an options menu next to its name, just like you do in so many apps. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will pop up with several options. Here's where you want to be precise. Find the delete option, but don't rush. Double-check that you're selecting the lightbox or pop-up, not one of your main site pages. If you accidentally click the wrong one, Wix does give you a chance to undo, but being careful saves time and headaches. Click Delete, and just like that, the lightbox will be removed from your site's structure. Sometimes Wix will ask for confirmation, just to make sure you mean it, so go ahead and agree. This might take a moment as Wix updates everything. That reassuring spinning wheel is Wix making sure your changes are saved and reflected perfectly. And that's it. Now when visitors come to your site, they'll no longer see that pop-up window. Your design will feel more open, and your navigation will be a little smoother. Removing unnecessary lightboxes can really help streamline the user's experience, making your site feel more welcoming and easy to explore. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you run into any issues or have questions about other Wix features, just drop a comment below. I always do my best to reply. And if you want more tips and tutorials on building beautiful, effective websites, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.